Hey friends, Techni-cal here, and I've got a problem for us to solve. Check out this awesome new race car and carpet-covered ramp. Here's the problem. Whenever we send the car down the ramp, we can't get it to cross the finish line. We want it fast. We want speed. Let's put on our problem-solving hats and figure out, how can we make the car go faster down the ramp? I have a few thoughts on what might help our car cross the finish line. Idea number 1. We can pour water on it to see if the car can slip and slide its way down to the finish. Idea number 2. We could make a shorter ramp. Maybe if it is closer to the ground, it will make it across the line. Idea number 3. I could take the green carpet off and use just the wood ramp. The wood is smooth, so maybe it can help the car. Which one do you predict will help the car go faster? The water, a shorter ramp, or taking off the carpet? Let's experiment and see. Idea number 1. Water on the ramp. Here we go. Pour the water and... The water seems to have made a mess on the carpet, but it's not really speeding anything up. Idea number 2. Make a shorter ramp. I made this one out of a book and a block. Ready, set, go! That didn't work as I expected. We've got one more chance. Idea number 3. Remove the carpet. The ramp is the same now, but with no carpet. Here we go! It worked! Taking off the carpet and using the surface of the wood made it go fast enough to cross the finish line. But why? It's friction! Friction is when two things rub together and slow each other down. The carpet on the ramp is rough and bumpy, so it rubs the wheels of the car and slows it down. The wood is smooth, so it doesn't rub against the wheels as much. Less rubbing means less friction. Less friction means our car was fast. Our car had speed. And that is why the car went past the finish line. Thanks for exploring with me, problem solvers. Until next time, keep on discovering.